What's up, you guys? Today is a week in the life. You'll notice a lot of outfit changes. Yes, they are the same day. However, our kiddos really like to make messes, as I'm sure yours do. So stay tuned and check out the fun that we had our last week of.
Big melon. Big melon. Big rock and big again.
So since our huge activity day was a fail, I decided to check off one of my to-do lists. I have been wanting to trim the tree, or the bushes. I started on this tree, but obviously didn't get to it. But it's so much nicer. So these were completely, obviously you can see we need to power wash. But then, so I think it looks about 10 times better, but that's maybe just because I did the work. But there's still, I still wanted to take a big chunk off of those big bushes, but, I guess start with baby steps. I'd honestly love to remove them, but that's not going to happen anytime soon. So we are just chilling at home, so much for that activity day. Woo! Hey, do you guys want...
Cookies.
No, baby. Thank you. It's your cookie. Why did you drop it? Why? I'm not gonna start eating it.
So much fun, baby! So much fun! Woo! 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 Whoosh! Whoosh!
I'm gonna do the underwear.
Good job, baby!
I did the underwear.
Underdog.
Underdog.
Dog. Good job, baby. Stick your legs out, buddy.
No, I did. Okay. No.
He's not gonna do it, baby.
No. Wait. Yeah. No, not. See it? Ayo.
Hi, Bean. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
Want to swing? You see we're not swinging?
Blast off. I like your shirt. It is from Leah's, that's right. Oh, I'm so burnt. So burnt.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm trying to hold me down.
Why don't you just slip the seatbelt behind this town?
Is that not me?
Yeah!
Wendell and Dad got their first trash can. It's a trash can, bud.
Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Ain't much trouble today. Roll smoke, cigarette. City lights and fire. And I know this is my time. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
Stand over here.
Not to hold me down. Feel alive
Move up a little bit.
in this town.
Come stand in the grass. Hey, turn around. Stop. Come forward a little bit.
Break me. No, nothing
Yep,
can
stop.
break me.
Stop. Look at Mama.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna
keep
be
going.
myself.
That's
I'm gonna be
super
someone
duper
else.
hard.
I'm gonna be myself. I'm
Good
gonna
job.
be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip
sure?
my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Go. Go, baby. Go.
I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go.
How you doing?
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself. I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this.
This is a big slide. It's bigger than the one you're used to. Do you need a hand? She's scared. Look at her. She said no.
Sister can help.
Yeah, scooch over. Wendell, sit back. Hey. Hi. Wendell.
Hey, Wendell. Look. Mama. Look at Mama.
Jeff, shizzle. What, Irene?
Hey, Irene.
Jeff, Wendell, Irene, Wendell, Jeff.
Blow the smoke from my cigarette.
Hey, Bean. You're so Alright, you guys, that is it for this week in the life. The last week before Daphne has to go back to school. We guys hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!